this is how you can hide your Facebook personal details like phone number, email account, and birthday. First of all, you have to log into your Facebook account. Next, you have to click here. Next, you have to click on the settings. Next, you have to scroll a little bit up and then click profile details. You can see here we have the mobile number. Below that we have the email, and if we scroll a little bit up we can see we have the birth date also. So what we have to do, if you look at this, the mobile number, you will see that there is public option. So we just have to click here on this side, edit, have to click here, and then we have to change here sharing with, and then we have to click only me. We just have to click only me. And then same thing we have to do with email. We have to click edit, sharing with, and then we have to select this only me. And then we also have to scroll a little bit up and then go to the birth date, and then we click edit, and then we go to this, click here, and then we click only me, and then click done. After this we have to click save. So if you check, you can see for the birth date it is only me, and for the email it is only me, and the mobile number also it is only me. So this is how you can hide your Facebook personal details. And if you'd like to get more videos like this, don't forget to hit the subscribe button.